Hello everyone, this is Incognite Samples, and today we're gonna show you how to make drop like Keanu, Silva, Richard Judge, Rare the Greatest. I won't tell you anything new about bass synthesis. All as usual, filter type low pass, one voices, rhetoric, and so on. The main thing of this bass is pitch modulation. This creates a good pressure in the bass, good attack, and you can see a little distorted for harmonics. Pitch range 12, and you can see that the bass pitch is automated. Almost everything is the same here. The difference is that the bass is open in a medium and bright frequencies. Also already two voices stereo and a EQ with Bitcrusher. The main bass processing is also made in our traditions, what I mean. All as usual. Saturn, EQ, the glue and sidechain. Let's analyze the synthesis of this lead. If in short, you can see one voices, rhetoric, filter type low pass, 24 dB, small drive, modulation, envelope 1, need to send to cutoff A and B, and so on. It's almost the same, wave pulse, 4 voices, no rhetoric, detune for stereo, small distortion, and you can see pitch modulation A and B. You can hear how the saturation gives interesting harmonics, making our lead more interesting. Then go EQ, Valhalla, OTT, again EQ, the glue, and sidechain. This is the basic processing chain, all as usual, nothing special. It's just automatic reverberation, some kind of send channels. You can just make automation the handle the mix. Okay, well, what about master channels? There is only a limiter. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope it was interesting and useful for you.